Hi guys, welcome back to the Coal Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be on a local South African product called Afrodite, and these are the results. I don't have any style on my hair, it's the next day, and I kind of wanted to show you guys the honest results from using the products. I'm going to show you exactly what I used. You're going to see how I use them as well, but before we get into that, please follow them on social media as well. Subscribe to my channel also. The brand Aphrodite did reach out to me and they did send me the products for free, and I was privileged enough, or I am privileged enough, to try them out. I know on Facebook a lot of you have said you absolutely love the products, and I got a chance to actually try them. I didn't receive a shampoo, so I washed my hair off camera, but I did receive the deep conditioner. There are no ingredients on the label, but I did reach out to the owner and she did say that all the products are curly girl friendly or they are CG friendly. So this is the deep conditioner, and it says that it's from Afrodite Organics, and it says after shampooing or a bentonite clay, part your hair in small sections and apply the conditioner from root to tip. Twist each section once you're done and cover with the shower cap. Wrap with the scarf for 1 hour and then rinse and style as desired. So I applied it as I usually do in sections. I tied my hair up and I did leave it on for an hour. Now what I like about this product is I like the consistency. It's nice and frothy, which I like. It glides on the hair very nicely. It aids detangling as well. What I like about the entire range is the consistency of the products. I really like that. Now, to be honest, what I don't like about the products is I don't like the smell. You can smell the natural ingredients. It smells like spices, if that's the best way. And this also lingers, so it's the next day and my hair still smells like the deep conditioner even after applying the leave-in and applying the butter. So what I don't like is the smell, but I love the consistency. When it comes to results, you guys can see the results. It did a good job. My hair was left soft, nice and manageable. I could move on to applying the leave-in conditioner with ease. It rinsed out. That was something I also really liked about the deep conditioner. Rinsed out amazing. I really liked that. The application, the consistency, and the rinse out, really good. In the package, I received a hairline repair, and I don't have a problem with my hairline, so I didn't use this, so I haven't used it at all. But when I was reading after I washed it, it says that you can apply it on your roots to help with hair growth. So I haven't used the oil, but there is an oil in the collection, and it says step 2. The leave-in also says step 2, and I did try the leave-in conditioner, and it says that it's for frizz-free curls. It contains jasmine, almond oil, and grapeseed oil, and it says part your hair into sections and apply from root to tip for detangling and frizz-free styling. I liked also the application and the consistency. The smell was also very nice. The only problem I have with this, with my type of hair, is the size. This is very small for my type of hair. Someone else won't use as much as I do, but I have a lot of hair, so this will last me maybe about a month. But I guess overall it's okay. A lot of products are this particular size, but you guys already know when it comes to size, that's very important in terms of hair products. I like a lot of products, but I like the consistency of this. It's a very nice leave-in application. Day 2, my hair is soft, not softer than usual, but it did do a fairly good job in terms of just moisture for the next day, and for the next couple of days I can tell that my hair is going to be very moisturized. I'm filming this video the end of March, so you guys might see this video in May. It's kind of cold already, so I think it can actually do a good job during winter. After that, I went in with their butters. So if you know me, I don't usually use butters on my hair. They're very heavy. When I do use a butter, I style my hair as you'll see at the end of the video. I just make 2 plaits or 2 braids whenever I use a butter. It's not something that I use with the gel, hence my hair looking how it's looking today. There's no styler at all. It's the next day. So with this butter, it says that it's step 3. And you must part your hair into 4 sections, apply the moisturizer to each section, ensure the hair is well moisturized. I just applied mine in 2 sections and used very, very little because butters just weigh my hair down and make it very, very oily. But this glided through my hair nicely. I would use this for a protective style. I love using butters for a protective style. Something else I also liked was I like the consistency, like all of the products, and I also like the smell. However, the deep conditioner that I used first, I could still smell it after the leave-in and after this as well. So it applies very, very nicely. If you have type 4 hair, I think you really are going to like this butter. The last product there is a hydrating mist. I did put it on my hair before I came on camera, and you can see how much product that I used. It says you must apply the spray to dry hair before daily styling or to refresh your washed hair, and that's all the information on here. It also has a bit of a spicy smell to it, so you are not going to be smelling like coconuts and pineapples when you use this range. And I'm going to give you guys a heads up, it's an organic range. It's very, very different. So this does smell a little bit spicy for me, so just as I said, a heads up for you guys. You can spritz this. I like the spray. I like the way that it comes out. It spreads very, very nicely. I'm not a refresher spray kind of girl. I like water in my spray bottle, just water. I don't add anything else in it. I know you guys didn't know that about me. But yeah, I just refreshed it this morning very, very quickly. My hair is hydrated. My hair is soft. Overall, I am happy with the results. That's it, guys. A little first impression. I think I should have said that at the beginning of the video. It is a first impression because I will be using this off camera and I will complete all the products off camera. Thanks for watching. As I said, I am happy. If you've tried it, like I know some of you have, share more information, share your experience with it. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again. Take care.